Here we are. He's decided he's going to clean out the back for me now too. We're going to put a pen out here for the piglets, if we can get some piglets. I was told I'm a little late, but you can't get piglets when you don't have a place to put them. So I got a couple of old friends of mine I grew up with, and one in particular, his mom lives up here too, so she got a farm, so hopefully they can help me out and get myself some piglets. There's a guy in Sudbury who wants $180 a piglet because they're high in demand. They're, you know, 110, 120 max, right? But might have to pay for that because supply and demand, right? The less supply, the more demand, the higher you pay. So yeah, I'm going to come out about 25 or 30 feet. I'm going to gate this off and eventually add a roof off the sawmill. I got to reinforce. The sawmill does move back and forth a little, so I got to cross tie the beams in there, and I'm closing it off the other part anyways. So look at that, eh? Isn't that a nice tractor? Kubota makes a nice product, I'll tell you. I'd love to have a Kubota. I don't have the coin. After buying this 202 acre farm, there's a little bit of money left, but there's not a lot. And I'm being careful what I do. But isn't that an amazing machine? Kubota's got such good quality tractors. John Deere used to be, and I'm not sure about their big farm tractors, but I know a lot of guys say they spend a lot of time fixing John Deere now, and I think Kubota's kind of taken over the market on a lot of this hobby farm and small tractors for our use. But I like them. My friend Robert, he grew up on a farm and he's got one also, or he had one, backhoe, and Ryan's got the backhoe and all that stuff too. But the farm's more important. And I got myself a tractor. I'll take a picture of it later. Belarus it's called. It's a Russian-made tractor. And I got a dual heavy-duty furrow with it. I paid a little extra to get the furrow. And hopefully my fields won't tear it apart. We'll see what happens. But yeah, this is going to be our area here. And I think this used to be a loading ramp for the logging trucks at one time, to load and unload the logs to the sawmill. You go up here, really spongy and sandy. But again, somebody put the work into it. I don't mind the work. I've worked all my life. I work hard all my life to get where I am. Some people are just handed shit, you know. The rest of us, I call myself a slave. I know it's not a famous term, and it's nothing to do with black people or white people or red people or whatever. It doesn't, everybody's the same, but we're all slaves to the 1%, aren't we? And I figured I'd buy myself a little bit of freedom. I'm 40 pounds lighter, coming up to 58 years old. I own Granite Ridge Greens, and we're gonna see if we can make a go of it. If you don't try, you never know, folks. I think a lot of you could do this. A lot of people could do the same thing. You just gotta decide what your priorities in life are. Anyways, back down the hill. Yeah, I do like the Kubota. Oh, they clear that mound of wood in. How long have I been filming here? Not quite 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, and look at how much that can clear. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy, 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 people. Happy, happy Ken. Thanks, my friend Ryan. You guys are a really decent guy, really honest, straightforward. I like honest people. I don't like dishonest people. Shouldn't have to be dishonest. Dishonesty, I think I mentioned before, is a fault. It's a character flaw, and it's a psychological fault also, but we won't get into the psychological weirdos or anything like that. But yeah, nice. Very, very nice, yeah. Isn't that cool? Yeah. That looks good. Looking good. I'm going to shut her off, folks. See you later.